What's up guys, Brandon from Memphis Audio here today. Talk to you a little bit about our direct OEM kits for Powersports, side-by-sides, all of your audio needs, we've got them. I've got two Can-Ams out here today. I've got a Maverick and a Defender XT, two different systems. One, the Maverick is gonna have the Pro 4 Plus, which is the 4-speaker system with the subwoofer. The Defender, just the Pro 4-speaker system, no subwoofer. A couple of highlights before I get into the details. As a Powersports enthusiast, outside of just good quality audio, which you're gonna get here, there's a couple things that I look at. Durability, these things are IPX6 rated, they're built for the outdoors. Warranty, 2-year warranty straight out of the box. If you get it installed by a Memphis approved dealer, we're gonna add the 3rd year on there for free. Hideaway Media App Control Center, meaning I'm saving real estate in my machine, don't have to cut the dash, there's no customization, it is all direct fit, saving you real estate within the machine, leg room, all of the things that you're gonna want when you're out on the trail. So, with that being said, let's look at some of the details. So on the XRS here, you got 2 rear cans, 2 front pods. Love the front pods because they're fully customized to your machine. You do not have to alter the machine on the front side at all to fit these in there. They are made specifically for this. Second thing is when you see the inside of the machine, you'll see that there's no head unit. We run a Hideaway app controlled media center. So when you look in here, you'll see there's no head units because it's all run through the Memphis app. All the speakers are wired with RGB lighting front and back on any of the direct fit OEM stuff that you'll get. That is also controlled directly through the app. Okay, so this is the Maverick. Again, OEM direct fit, 4 speakers, subwoofer, amplifier, all included. Moving on to the Defender. Practically the same system, no subwoofer in this one. Still got 2 front pods, 2 rear cans. As this you can see, this is a 4-seater. One of the cool things about the systems is no matter whether you have a 2 or 4-seater, we're gonna send you enough wiring and cordage to whether it'll fit both 4-seat and 2-seat models. So 2 good options, 2 different sizes, both great on the audio side of things, both great on the durability side of things. Check them out. We've got them available at most dealers in the US.